For this third grade small group, first you're going to review multiples of 2 and then focus today on multiples of 5. So when you review multiples of 2, you'll want to write this down somewhere where they can actually see what you're talking through. Ask them, how do you know if something's a multiple of 2? They might not remember, and so you could ask them, is it even or odd? Multiples of 2 are always even. And then you could also talk to them about what is the digit in the ones place if they are always even. That means that the digit in the ones place has to be a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 for it to be a multiple of 2. Now you're going to go through and locate multiples of 5 and then talk through patterns that they notice. So for their multiples of 5, they're going to use their yellow, just like on their pattern sticks. The multiples of 5 are yellow. So as you count by 5s, just have them make a little mark in yellow but below each multiple. So it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then having a conversation of, well, what do you notice about the multiples that you just labeled? And they're harder to see here because of the yellow. But, well, what do you notice about the digit in the ones place? Do you see a pattern? Well, the digit in the ones place in this column is always 5. What is it in the other column that you see? 0. So the digit in the ones place is always a 0 or a 5. So are multiples of 5 always odd or always even? No, it varies, but the digit in the ones place is always a 0 or a 5. After that, you'll go through and with students, you'll play the same game as yesterday where they roll the tens die and the ones die. And if that number happens to be a multiple of 5, then they'll color it. If it doesn't happen to be a multiple of 5, then they will put it in the trash section. So let's say that they rolled a 32. You would ask them, okay, is 32 a multiple of 5? Why not? Because it has a 2 in the ones place and it doesn't have a 0 or 5 in the ones place, so it would go down here. I would actually probably have them write in pencil since it's so hard to see. If they roll a 40, is that a multiple of 5? Yes. Why? It has a 0 in the ones place. So that's it for today. Keep rolling and coloring and placing numbers as long as they have time.